day, everyone. My name is Deborah Chukwuokike Chizobam. I'm a student of Lincoln College of Science, Management and Technology. Currently, I am an IT student. This project was done last semester. So I built a hostel management system for Lincoln. It is basically a system where everything that goes on in the hostel is being managed, starting from the students to the student affairs to the admin. Whatever it is that goes on in the hostel is being managed through the system. So work with me as I walk you through the entire system and its functionalities. Here we go. You can check out the link at hostel.lincoln.edu.ag for the full life of the system. So basically, here is the source code to the system, and then you have to work through the landing page. This is the home page. This particular section you see right now is the navigation section, where just use for this navigation, you have the about, the features, the frequently asked question, the contact page, the apply now, the check application section, basically where students check the application status when they apply for hostel. So when it's been approved, you can check it, navigating back to the email to check for the application status, whether it's been updated. There's a student that doesn't like checking emails, so this particular session is provided for that. And then we have the admin dashboard. This particular session is used to manage virtually everything that goes on in the system. So the admin manages the students, the register students, they view applications, the rooms, hostel, they create hostel, they create rooms, they manage payments, when the students made and the companies, everything that has to do with students is being managed through this particular section by the admin. And also students have their own student dashboard where they book rooms. After they book a room, admin view the rooms, and the landing page is basically for applicants to view everything that is in the system. Lincoln is not just an institution, but it is an institution that raises icons that